Let's begin with breaking updates coming in from the sporting world. There's a big churn at the top in the Indian Cricket Administration, with sources saying that the BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla is likely to take over as the acting president in July. The move comes as current chief Roger Binny turns 70. The upper age limit to hold office. Shukla is expected to serve as interim president for a period of 3 months. So as Roger Binny turns 70, the mantle goes to Rajiv Shukla, who is likely to take over as the BCCI acting president. My colleague Karishma is joining us with the details. Karishma, sources saying Rajiv Shukla could be the next BCCI chief. What are the details?
Well, yes, absolutely. July 19th is when Roger Binny would turn 70. The age cap of 70 years would be hit as far as Roger Binny is concerned, who is the current BCCI president. And after that, it is expected that the BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla would become the interim acting BCCI president until the AGM, the annual general meeting of the BCCI in September later this year, where the elections would happen. And then it will be interesting to see if the interim president would be interested to fight for the entire term, which would run from September to September, obviously. So very interesting times ahead for BCCI as well. And as far as Mr. Rajiv Shukla is concerned, I don't think there is any post left in Indian cricket administration that he has left. He is the BCCI vice president. He's handled the IPL as well, at the helm of affairs as former IPL chairman as well. And he's involved with cricket administration for a very, very long time. He's also held the top post in UP cricket as well. So obviously it is going to be a very, very interesting times, like I said, with Jay Shah helming the affairs at ICC and BCCI, of course, Rajiv Shukla set to take over in July.
Okay, so there is a 70-year cap according to rules, and as Roger Binny turns 70, Rajiv Shukla could take over the mantle. Karishma, just a moment as we get these details for our viewers. This is going to be a big churn at the top in Indian cricket. Of course, Rajiv Shukla is known quite well in the sporting world. He has been the IPL chairman, as well as Karishma was pointing out. And Karishma, it's going to be a small tenure, just about 3 months for now, as he is going to become the interim president of the BCCI. But like you mentioned, Rajiv Shukla is somebody who has been associated with the sporting world, with cricket and the cricket boards over the last several decades. He has a lot of experience, so there will be a lot of interest in what are the changes, if any, that he brings in that tenure.
Well, absolutely, and he's also known for his diplomacy. Remember, he has, handled the situation between BCCI and PCB as well. He has been the representative of BCCI in ICC meetings, representative of BCCI when, an Indian delegation had to go to Pakistan when the Champions Trophy was taking place. So he, of course, has immense experience. He's been involved with cricket administration for a very, very long time now, and he's also liked by players as well, and he tends to the players' problems as well on a personal basis also. So it will be very, very interesting times, like I said earlier, to look forward to, even though it is going to be a short term of 3 months till September when the AGM takes place. And then we'll have to wait and see if he is willing to fight, or if he is going to be nominated for an entire term of a year as the BCCI president.
Okay, all right, Karishma, thank you for joining us with those details.